Hey people, so yesterday I was kind of a little bit of binge watching these, celebrities like Rakul Preet Singh. She has her own YouTube channel, so it's called Rakul. And no, the reason I'm saying this is sometimes on YouTube it's an ocean, right? You don't know what to follow, what to see, and Rakul Preet Singh's vlogs are just like 2 minutes long, 3 minutes long, 4 minutes long. So the longest one is I think 12 minutes, where it's the interview with Lakshmi Manchu, So it is so worth watching, yeah. So it's just Rakul, and it is, once you start watching it, you just want to watch one after the other. So it's, I think, one of the nicest celebrity vlogs I've seen in a long time. So really, people, but no, and the reason I'm saying this is I love to share with my cute few people who watch my channel about what are the nice vlogs online that we can follow. I think, I think it's a helpful tip. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.